when we have several numbers to multiply, we can multiply them in any order. Let's say we multiply 2 by 3 to get 6 and times it by 4 to get the answer 24. Or we can multiply 3 by 4 to get 12 and times it by this 2 to get the answer that is same 24. Or we can multiply 2 by 4 to get 8 and times it by this 3 to get the same answer 24. So when we are multiplying several numbers, the order in which we multiply does not matter. Okay, let's say we have these 5 numbers, 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then 6 times this 5 is 30. Then this 30 times this 2 is 60. And in the end, this 60 times this 2 is 120. That's the answer we get. So we can multiply in any order and we'll get the same answer 120. But let me tell you a short method, not short method, short way of writing if the number is same multiplied by itself many times. Let's say we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. If we have same number repeating and multiplying by itself, we can write it as 3 and we'll write 4 here, small 4, and we read this like 3 to the power of 4, and this small 4 it's called power or index. So when we write this 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 2, we can write it like 2 to the power of, we have how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, right? So we can say 2 to the power of 3, and this small 3 tells how many times 2 is multiplied by itself, times this 3. So we have taken care of this 2 and this 2, then times this 3, then times this 5, and we can say the answer is here 120. Now it's clean and neat way of writing the same thing, and scientists they write it in this way when the number is very small or very large, so it saves us a lot of writing. So let's say we have 2 times 3 squared times 4. So this means that 2 times 3 times 3 times 4, that is 72. But we can write it like this, just this thing I want to tell you. Or if it is, let's say, 2 to the power of 6, this actually means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this a lot of this writing can be avoided just by writing this to the power 6, that is equal to 64. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.